Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are learning Chinese in a fun way. And before we start the lesson, if you want to support me, you can subscribe and you can inform your friends who are interested in learning Chinese. And there is a card section here. You can solve the quiz here. I'm asking the Chinese characters and Chinese words meaning and their tones. And in this part, we are making new sentence with this character and we always change the underlying character here. At first, here we don't have opinion, so in when we don't have opinion, we just write the tones on the character, right? We are always doing this. It's important to learn tones. Okay, here 我 third tone, you already know that. 认识你认识你他那个 these are new characters. I will explain, don't worry. 学生玛丽 and 他们老师 and 这个人 is also new character. Okay. First, translate this sentence. 认识 means know. 我认识你 I know you. 我认识你 I know you. I know who you are. It means. And I will write here. 我认识你我认识你 I know you. I know you. And we change 你 and 他. First, I will clear here. Okay. 我认识他 I know him. 我认识他我认识他我认识他 I know him. 我认识他 like this. And negotiation is important, and after I write, I will explain this. 我认识那个学生，那个I did control Z, but I cleared all of them. I don't know why. Sorry for that, and I'm writing again quickly. 认识那个 Sheng doesn't have to. I think now it's not good looking. And I will write this again. Okay, now it's better. Now, good. Now means that. But here, good is a measure word. In Chinese, we don't have a lot of measure words, and we use measure words before noun. Situation is noun, and if we want to say naga and that student, this student, we should use noun means that. We should use here ge measure word. For example, run here is a person. If you want to say that person, we should say nagerun. Run. If we want to say this person, this means ju. We should say jigerun. And if we give a count, for example, if you want to say 5 students, we should say 5学生. Again, we should use ge. Before nouns, we should use this measure word. For now, you just learn like this, and we don't have a lot of measure words. For example, for book, its measure word is bun. For example, 五本书, it means 5 books. Like this. Here, we will learn na, ge, and ju. Okay. I hope you understand this. For example, look, we translate this sentence. 那个 that 学生 that student 哪个学生 So 我认识那个学生 I know that student 我认识那个学生 I know that student. Okay. If you have any more question for this, please write on comment section. I will explain that. And okay, let's pass the other part. Mali, you already know that we practice these names again. Yeah, 我认识玛丽。马 Okay, I'll write again. First, 玛丽，我认识玛丽，I know Mary. Mary means Mary. You know that? 我认识 Mary. Mary. I know Mary. Okay. Let's test this. And 他们老师 他们 means they. 他们老师 means their teacher. 我认识他们老师 I know their teacher. Okay. And I think this red is not so good looking. I can make it blue. This one is better. 我认识我认识你我认识你 here we don't have 你 sorry I'm a little tired 我认识他们老师 他们老师，我认识他们老师。I know them, their teacher. I know their teacher. 他们老师 means their teacher. 他们 means they. 他们老师 means their teacher. I know their teacher. 我认识他们老师。我认识他们老师。I know their teacher. Okay. And here. 这个人 First I will write it, later I will explain. 我认识这个人，我认识这个人。I know. 这 means this. 个 is major word. I explained already. 人 means person. This one is person. Person. I know this person. I know this one. I know this one. I know this person. You can say. 我认识这个人。人 is second one. 我认识这个人。I know this 这个 this 人 person. I know this person. Okay. And this run here. Sorry. Example. This run. I will show you here. This run and this run. They both read like run, right? 认识 run. And this part is same. It looks like ma, for example. Ma. All of them ma. And their last part is same. And this part makes the character read like ma. And it's also same. Run is the right part. Run. So it makes the character read like run. Okay, but there is exceptions, of course. And here, look at this character. We separate it in two parts. And for example, I will click here. First, focus on this part, the right part. Do you remember? We already know this part. I think elder. It means all, though. You remember, right? This part is same. And the other part, we also know this, means month. 月 1月 is January, RU is February, like this. 月 month. Okay, so this character is not new for us. G is so simple character, so we don't have to make similar with other characters. And J is a new character completely. And this part is an exception. We are writing order is from top to bottom and from left to right. But here we write this part at last. At last we write this part. So this is exceptional, but you will get used to that. And I'm thinking, is there anything I need to say? Okay, I think there isn't. If you have any more questions, guys, please write on comment section. I will answer all of them. Thanks for watching. See you next video.